Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope each and every one of you doing good. This is your math class. Today in this class we are going to discuss about the descending order and ascending order. So let's start. Firstly, I will describe about the ascending order and descending order. Firstly, ascending order. Ascending order, when we arrange numbers from the smallest to the greatest, we call it ascending order. Descending order, when we arrange numbers from the greatest to the smallest, we call it descending order. Now students, our next topic is ascending order and descending order. Ascending order means down to up, means forward counting. We also known as a increasing order. Then descending order. Descending order means up to down, means backward counting we will follow. And we also known this decreasing order. Ascending means increasing order, descending means decreasing order. So let us start. We have some exercise. Through the exercise we can understand easily. We have first exercise 417, 425, 403, then 454. Give them place first of all. Ones, tens, hundred, ones, tens, hundred, then ones, tens, hundred, ones, tens, hundred. Right? Now we will see the place of hundred of each digit first of all. This is also starting from 400. This is also second one also 400. Third one also starting from 4. Then fourth one also starting from 4. Then how we can recognize which is the smallest digit? Now see the second digit. This is a 1. This is 2. This is 0. And this is 5. Then now you can find easily 1, 0. 0 is the smallest digit. So 403 will come first. We will cross it. This is done. Now next see. We will recognize from these 3 digits now. Now see the again tens column 1. Here in the tens column 2. In the third here in the tens column 5. So which one is the smallest? 1 is the smallest digit. So which digit will come now? Next 470. This is also done. Now we have 2 digit only. In the place of tens here 2 and here 5. So which one is the smallest? 2. 425 will come. And last is 454. Now another one is 172, 385, 217, 437. Same as it is, we will give them place first of ones, tens, hundred. Ones, tens, hundred. Ones, tens, hundred. Ones, tens, hundred. Now firstly, same as it is, we will see the hundred place of each digit. Here 1, 3, 2, 4. So which one is the smallest? In this exercise we have same digit, but here in this question different are there. Then in the place of 100 here 1. So which digit will come first? 172 will come first. Then next is 3 digit are there. Now we will see the 100 place of each digit. 3, 2, 4. This is 2. Which will come next? 217. Also done. We have 2 digit starting from 4. Then which will come first? 385. And last one is 437. Is it clear? This is ascending order. See, 172, 217, 385, 437. Now next is decreasing order. Decreasing order means up to down. Means we follow the backward counting now. Same as it is, procedure we will follow same, but we will see the biggest digit first. This is 650. Same as it, we will give them place ones, tens, hundred, ones, tens, hundred, ones, tens, hundred, ones, tens, then hundred. Now we will see the biggest digit first. Same as it is, we will see the hundred place. In here 9, 4, 7 and 6. Which one is the biggest on the place of 100? 9. So 9 will come first. 915 will come first. Then same after 9 we will see 4, 7, 6. Which will come next? 7. 717. We will cross it. Why we cross it? Because we are writing. Then next is 615, then 415. Which one will come? 615. Then last one is 415. See, 915, 715, 615, last one is 415. Same as it is, we get second exercise. We give them place first of all ones, tens, hundred, ones, tens, hundred, ones, tens, hundred, ones, tens, hundred. Now same, we will see the biggest digit from these. 6. It is easy. 666. Then after that 3. 333. Then next is 222. And last one is 111. This is our topic, ascending order and descending order. I hope you all understand ascending order and descending order.